Gautam, you can start.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes, yes, beta.
PT activity. COVID-19 safety measures. What preventative measures can we take against the coronavirus disease? One, wash your hands regularly with soap and water or clean them with sanitizer. Two, maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and people coughing and sneezing. 3. Avoid touching your face. 4. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. 5. Stay home if you feel unwell. 6. Refrain from smoking and other activity that weaken the lungs. 7. Practice physical distance by avoiding unnecessary travel and staying away from large groups of people. 8. Stay home and self isolate even with minor symptoms such as cough, headache, mild fever until you recover. 9. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. 10. Those who have previously tested positive for COVID-19 should still be vaccinated. 11. Whenever you go outside, wear a mask and if possible, then wear a double mask, most likely a surgical mask and a cloth mask on top of it. If you are going to ultimately crowded places like airport, railway station, etc., then necessarily wear an N95 mask and a face shield. 12. Don't spit at public places and wear your mask covering your mouth and nose. 13. If you have symptoms of coronavirus, no need to panic. Be brave and self-isolate yourself. If you have serious problems, then quickly contact your doctor. 14. After coming from outside, change your clothes and if you are coming from market or other crowded places, then take a bath. If you don't want to bath, then at least wash your hands till your elbow and wash your legs with soap. Proper way of wearing mask. Coronavirus vaccine. Symptoms of coronavirus: high fever and coughing. Home safety measures. 1. Always keep the doors locked. 2. Keep the floor dry at all times. 3. Always have an emergency plan. 4. Ensure that alarm systems are working. 5. Turn on the security light at night. 6. Never give out personal information on the internet. 7. Keep medicine in safe cabinets. 8. Do not play with fire. 9. Do not play with electrical gadgets. 10. Always keep the house neat and clean. 11. Do not touch sharp objects like scissors, blades, knives, etc. 12. Check the electricity connection and if sparks are coming out or it has some faults, then immediately call an electrician. Things to be used with care. fire, electricity, and sharp objects. How to wash your hands? 7 steps of hand washing. Done by Albin, Lohit, Gautam, Rajiv, and Hanish.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Very good. Clap, everyone. Now I have some 5 questions to ask. Okay. This I'll be posting also. I'll ask some 5 questions. Yeah, I'll be calling some of you. You'll be answering it. Okay. I'll ask some as we are discussing about fire and safety measures. Let me know whether you people are knowing it. I myself learned through experience only. Okay. I learned it only through experience or by others' mistake. So, Yashika, I'll be asking one question to you. Then Vishnu, be ready for answering. If you are having your lunch, please stop it for a while. I am asking a question. Please be ready. Who wish also be ready? I'll be asking question. Are you all ready? Yashika, I'm going to ask you one question. Vishnu, I'm going to ask you one question. Puvisha, I'm going to ask you one question. Are you ready, beta? Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First is Yashika. In case of, in case somebody gets caught in fire, if he runs, is he safe? You can browse and you can
No,
answer.
ma'am. No,
No.
ma'am. He cannot be safe, ma'am, because anything can fall in between him.
No, actually, no. When we are caught in fire, we are not supposed to run because the fire increases. Why? Can anyone tell? Other
Ma'am,
than
because of oxygen.
Because of oxygen.
Air supposed burning, ma'am. When we run,
yes.
air supposed us to burn.
Ma'am, if there is air, it will burn.
So now tell me what is the best way to get that fire off?
Water. Ma'am,
Yeah,
sand.
water.
We can also use fire
Ma'am, we
Water
can
and
call the
sand.
fire station for removing the fire from by putting water, ma'am.
No, you should not pour water when you are on a
Ma'am,
fire.
yes, ma'am. It will get increased, ma'am.
Even
Ma'am,
in
water will increase it, ma'am.
water we have oxygen and it will take smooth
and rolling
breeze.
down.
Sand is the best, ma'am.
Yeah,
Sand.
yes, we
Ma'am,
should.
first we have to get a wet cloth and we have to cover our mouth.
Actually, cloth also has a problem. If you take up some cloth which is cotton and all that,
It may get burned.
it will also start burning. So somebody told it's better to roll down if you are on the road. Roll down.
I told ma'am. I told that ma'am.
Yes, wherever sand is found, you should start rolling down because when somebody is caught with fire, they actually get fear and they start running. When they start running, it increases the fire, and because of the oxygen becomes increased. Because once we start running, air is all around, and more oxygen gets like it increases the burning fire. Okay, and when you pour water also, though it may get fire may get off, but still burning takes place internally. So we will not know inside our body, internal organs, all that are in danger. So even water should not be poured if it is too much. Like you people would, your mother and brother, somebody, if they caught fire little bit, you would have gone and kept your hand under the tap. That was a small amount of fire accident. Okay, just for a while, maybe matchstick type of fire, like while cooking. While cooking, if you are getting burned, for those things we go for keeping our hand under the water. Those are very mild, small amount of accident, right? But fire accident, when it is like it has caught your dress, okay, and it is Initially it will be small, like slow, okay, but when it increases, when more oxygen is, like the cloth is sustainable, like cloth is such, like silky cloth and all will spread the fire more. You understood what I am saying? The cloth which we are wearing, it increases the fire. You all can increase, understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The dress which we are wearing only causes more danger. So what we are supposed to do is we should remove the dress and throw it. We are not supposed to think that, Are, actually this happened with one of our student. He is not here now, so I am discussing with you all, Lokesh. That time I used to give questions to other classes, 10th, 11th, 12th. During PT exams I used to give question, in case of fire, what all things we should do and what we shouldn't do. So people used to answer me correctly, but it was meant for 10th, 11th, 12th students, but this boy was from 7th standard. So that time I didn't know. Actually, what happened? His mother was. We in Tamil Nadu we keep pongals in temples. How many of you have experienced that?
Yes,
Temple.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I.
Uh,
Ma'am.
so who said I?
Ma'am, Kavyashri.
Kavyashri, yes. So during Adi Masam, during January month, we go for Pongal. We prepare Pongal in front of temples. So they had something like that. They had some function in front of the temple, and she was preparing Pongal. And by there was a what is that? That big deep close to that cooking area. And she didn't notice her pavada with her inner skirt caught in the fire. It was actually very
Ma'am, your voice is low.
Ma'am,
Not
your
audible.
voice is
okay.
low.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Actually, initially it was very slow, but what she did, instead of removing her pavada there itself, she ran inside her room. Okay, actually, Lokesh only saw the fire. You all can hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
are
Yes.
able to
Uh,
hear.
and this I heard it very late when he lost his mother. I heard the story, so I thought I should tell you people also. So actually, it was very less, it seems, and she, as it was the inner skirt, her inner skirt, she couldn't remove it in front of people there in the public, so she started running inside the house. When she ran inside the house, ultimately, what will happen? It spread all over her sari, and still she went inside her room until she could go and remove her dress. She got burned fully. So it was 90% burning. No, and few people, what they do is they go hug somebody who is closer by, because they don't have any knowledge about it. Actually, because she was out, she could have rolled down, or somebody should have brought blanket. There are blankets in northern India. Okay, they people use blankets because we are in a winter and all that we see in northern places. We see winter. We have 4 seasons which we see, right? Climate changes in northern areas, but in south we don't need blankets, so we don't keep it. But cloth like blanket can be used to wrap the person, because it stops oxygen supply. Immediately the fire gets off. Okay, so either you should roll down in the sand, or you should have a blanket type of bed sheet, or not a bed sheet, blanket is preferable. So that is the best way we can switch off the. नहीं तो sag, ये है ना गन्नी bags है ना बेटा, गन्नी bags में भी variations are there. Those things that can be wrapped, but we should be very careful, because until unless we know, it should not be fire causing gunny bag. So all that is required. That is the reason we always keep a blanket at home. So during the in case of cylinders, nowadays people are going for keeping the bucket right on the cylinder and switching off that. Like oxygen supply को stop करना है, ये main है. समझ में आ गया आपको सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, person, next question I am going to ask. First thing is, do not run. You should not run. Okay, so there are 5 points I want you people to remember and tell to others also. If possible, you can make a video also and then cause awareness among people. Okay, now who is
Which
there?
video, ma'am?
Video of fire safety. You can make a video of some fire safety, how fire is being spread and how we can be safe. आप लोगों को मैंने YouTube चैनल बनाने के लिए इसीलिए बोला है कि आप लोग कुछ भी अवेयरनेस लाओ लोगों के बीच में, ठीक है? तो आई एम गिविंग यू वन टॉपिक अबाउट फायर सेफ्टी. Okay, so anybody can make a PPT on fire and then make a recording and then upload. मेरा क्लास चल रहा है. हेलो मैडम जी, क्लास है मेरा. So next is, who's this? I said somebody else. Who is next person? Vishnu, are you ready? I'll ask another question to you. Vishnu. Vishnu, are you ready? Okay, Shrijan, are you ready?
Yes,
Shrijan.
ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay. Next question is, in case of dog bite, okay, I did this mistake. You should tell me what I should have done. Okay, actually, my son was in fourth standard, and is a only child, so and even I didn't have experience. I told you, I learned things through some others' mistakes. So fire accident, how I learned is I saw one person earlier when we were very small. I saw one man who was like, most of them suffered fire accidents those days because they used to use stove, and stove was like pump. They will pump it and they will have a kerosene. So while pumping, it busted. So one man got caught in the fire and he started running, and he wanted to hug people. Then somebody, when he was very severely burning, somebody pushed him down. And when he was being pushed down, actually fire got off. So I understood that they should have done it first itself when initially he got. And now because I am studying about it, I learned it. Now about dog bite, I didn't know it earlier. Dog bite, I knew that rabies injections should be taken after the bite. But what I did was, as soon as my son, like he used to get frightened of tsunami. Those days were tsunami time, no? 2005, he was in first standard. And maybe in third or fourth, he started running. He went out because he wanted to avoid our students who used to run and come from upstairs. They used, after the school is closing, everyone, what they do, they start running towards house. They don't maintain line and all that. So he wanted to avoid that. And those days, as people used to be frightened of tsunami, so they wanted to reach home at the earliest. So he went before I left the school. So one day he just came back to me running and crying, saying that mommy, dog bit me. And I was like very much worried. What I did, I took his hand where he had a bite and I just sucked it. I didn't know what to do, but I thought as maybe that will be dangerous for him. Poison should not enter. I just sucked it. So I took him to hospital. Now tell me what mistake I did and what I was supposed to do. Please tell me, Srija, for dog bite.
First of all, we should not suck that after dog bite, ma'am. First, we have to wash it, ma'am.
Wash it with?
Wash it with water or Dettol or any soap.
Ma'am, disinfecting liquid, ma'am.
You should wash it with soap. Okay, good.
Then
Very
after that, we should go to the hospital and get the injection, ma'am.
Yes.
Or if
Yes.
you're outside, and you're outside, and then your son at that time came to you and said a dog bit me. There is a plant which is especially which contains a liquid, ma'am, which we can apply on that dog bite, ma'am.
Now that plant actually we don't have, no, right? Never anyone told us, and we don't know which plant it is. That time we cannot do it. So only option is going for washing our hand that particular area with soap. I should have gone for it. Okay, so this is for everyone here. So dogs, we are all playing actually dogs saliva is very dangerous. Okay, you will get
Ma'am, it may
rabies.
contain rabies.
Yes, you will get rabies if you have a open cut anywhere without your knowledge. If you have cut your hand, cut your nail, or cut your one particular part, and the saliva enters your body through that cut, you will get rabies. So that is the reason. Actually, street dogs will not be vaccinated and all that, right? The dogs which we have will have will they people go for vaccination. They have rabies vaccination and all that. Veterinary doctors they give for dogs. How many of you have a dog at home? Anyone who has dog at home?
Ma'am, I like to have a dog as pet, but my mother won't allow me.
Yeah, we are. The thing is, we should take care of them so much. Actually they are very cute. In case of stress and depression in somebody's house, they go for dogs. Dogs are when they have dogs at home, stress and depression gets reduced. So one psychological way of dealing with stress and depression is having dogs at home. But we should take care of them so well. They are actually very cute to have them with us. They are very thankful. They are very respectful. They even save us from so many problems. There are dogs who are known for being heroes. There are dogs who have found out that there was a snake in the house. It started biting, shouting. It has saved many people from robbery and all that. So dogs are good. But even I have a street dog
Police also
outside.
use dogs, ma'am.
Yeah, there are street dogs outside who are my friends. Okay, so they fight and all that. But the thing is, if they lick me, I get frightened. I became close with dogs only for my son because he developed a phobia, dog phobia, because it bit him. What happened? Because it bit him, I did this. So both of us took rabies injection for 7 days. Okay, 7 times. The monthly something, no, they 7 injections should be taken for rabies. One particular date we should go take, and that will be really painful. But to treat, we should. And if we hide, like we don't want that injection, some people don't say it also. And what happens, Kindly tell me, one of you who can tell. Sheba, Sheba, tell me if rabies injection is not taken, what will happen? Can you browse and tell me?
Ma'am, we will
If
die.
Shaba cannot
Yeah,
tell,
yeah,
somebody
sure.
can.
We will act like a dog.
Browse. Don't tell anything of your own. Browse it. If you are in computer, just browse it and find out if rabies injection is not taken. Scientifically, what happens? I'll give you just 2 minutes time. Who can say? Seba can say, or somebody else?
Ma'am, can you tell the correct spelling of rats?
Rabies. Rabies. Try it. I don't know. Rabies.
REBEZ, ma'am.
Tell me.
REBEZ.
Rebez. As we were saying rabies, I thought
Ma'am,
IES will come.
Rabies.
That's what I said. Rabies. Okay, because that injection's name was written in the slip, I by hearted it. So everything I experienced. Okay. So now tell me, if rabies injection is not taken, what happens? This also I heard the story, otherwise I won't have gone for injection. I hate injections. Even I took my son for injection. I'll tell you what is the story. Okay.
Ma'am, poison will go into our body, ma'am.
Okay. Then what will happen? What symptoms will be seen? Symptoms. The victim will have some symptoms. If not, injection is not taken, what symptoms will be seen? It will be fearful. Did you
fever, headache.
then
Then
Ma'am, difficult to swallow
vomiting.
foods.
vomiting, then
Difficult to swallow foods.
difficult to swallow food, then
Ma'am, paining and itching.
okay, then
Hyperactivity.
yes, then what is that hyperactivity? You know,
No, ma'am.
they will shout, they will bark like a dog.
Ma'am, confusion.
Ma'am, I told first itself that you told don't tell by your own.
You said it.
Yes, ma'am, I told they will bark like a dog.
Yes, you said correctly. But I heard the one somebody said they will die. I heard only that, and that for that I was saying don't say it like that. You shouldn't say they will die. Okay, because
Ma'am, mental confusion, ma'am.
directly somebody told me they will die. You didn't say any other thing. So I told don't say anything just like that. Explore it. Anything you're learning, anything somebody is giving you, explore it, and then finally you should say. You should not directly say that they will die. Okay, there are so many symptoms, and if it is ignored, you will have so many symptoms. But ultimate thing is death only. Last thing is death only. They will be in the hospital. Actually, I'll tell you my experience. Why I'm sharing all the experiences, how we learn from others mistake, right? And how all these medicines came, how science came only by others mistake. Something happened to somebody, so people innovated, people put their mind, and then they use their brain to find out the cure for everything. Okay, so rabies is one of the best invention, like discovery or invention, whatever it is. So rabies vaccination is best one, because my when my father's time, my brother actually he showed a biscuit, and that dog bit my dad. So my dad took 21 injections those days. Now it has become only within a day also we can stop with vaccination. There is a 1 day injection also, but it's quite costly. But people prefer 7 days, seven injections. Okay. Yes, somebody was saying something.
Ma'am, if a little child it's bite, what will happen, ma'am?
Anyone it bites if vaccination is not taken. I mean, rabies injection is not taken, it will affect. Actually, what dogs don't like water. I have seen dogs drinking water, but people will, those who have got dog bite, they don't like to drink water. They don't eat. They stop eating, and then they make that hyperactivity sort of thing. And actually, how I came to know was when I was in a college. One of the teammate of mine got hurt. Okay, she got hurt on her head, so I had to take her to government hospital. So there they made us wait, because the doctor had to go urgently to nearby near one like nearby there was a uh, some emergency. So we came to know that one of the person who was bit by dog, and he came out, like he didn't tell people, and he himself kept himself inside the house, and he was almost like barking a dog. He was making a act of a dog. So this is how we came to know. He was almost making a sound. We could hear the sound from that nearby ward, very badly shouting like a dog. So only then I came to know that okay, we almost go to the extent of a dog. So we should be very careful. We have so many dogs nearby our township. We should be very careful. They fight with each other, and we should not be bitten by them. So better to keep distance.
Ma'am, near my house, many dogs are there. Ma'am.
Yeah, if they are not dangerous, no issue. Only thing, be careful. That's all. Okay. Now one more. Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, near my house, so many dogs are there, ma'am. Some 5 to 6 dogs are there, but they don't do anything. Most of them are female. And
Yes.
one to a ma'am, but in my house, they start shouting whenever it sees somebody going in a vehicle or bike, ma'am.
No, actually, they are very good, but we should be alert that they don't become because they should not be bitten by any rabies dog. So because so many dogs come across, right, and they should not get bitten by any rabies dog. So they should actually get vaccinated. So we'll have to actually in Kalpakam we should have one veterinary hospital also, so that. They come, they even dogs can be फैमिली प्लानिंग डॉग को भी कर सकते हैं उसके लिए मतलब इतना सारा डॉग नहीं बढ़ेगा और ज्यादा डॉग्स जब आ जाते हैं तो अग्रेशन तो आ ही जाता है लड़ाइयाँ होती रहती है लड़ाई में तो रैबिस का स्प्रेड होना सब चांसेस आर देयर सो एक्चुअली वी नीड टू डू सम स्टेप I don't know where to go and say, but still be careful with all the dogs around you. Okay. This was about dog. Okay, now tell me about any other thing as session is just
Ma'am?
3 minutes is left out with us. Any other first aid thing you want to know? Actually, we have for every small injury, we have a first aid. Okay. When small cut is there, we can apply tincture, Dettol, and then neosporin can be applied. Okay. So these are all small one. There are even fractures so next week I want some two children to prepare for fractures. What is the first aid? Okay. Who are the two people ready to do it? Vishnu? Vishnu, you'll be doing it for fractures.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Pragna, please tell me.
Ma'am, you told that if dog bites, dog phobia will be developed. If any other animal bites also will that develop. If a monkey bites.
No, actually, rabies is like even rat bite, it causes rabies. Monkey bite also rabies only. Okay, now any animal biting us is dangerous only. Any insect. So for everything there are treatments. You can just go into net and then check it. But for dog bite, we should compulsory go for even human bite is dangerous. We people fight in the school and we bite each other, right? Our teeth is more dangerous actually, but that
Ma'am,
does
when my brother was 2 to 3 years old, he will be biting me every time, ma'am.
yeah. So that is the reason parents say don't bite your brother, don't bite nails. Even nails are dangerous to us. Okay, so biting is really dangerous only. The thing is through animal rabies gets spread. Okay,
Ma'am,
main dog.
what will happen if humans bite?
It is poisonous, they say. Normally there are TT injections being given. Small children they bite, no, they without knowing they bite their siblings. So for that actually we should go and get treatment, otherwise some
Ma'am,
like
also when we don't brush our teeth regularly, our teeth becomes very poisonous, ma'am. In our when we touch the arrow in our teeth and we shoot with that, a person who hits the arrow hits will die, ma'am, with the poison in our teeth.
acha, that much dangerous it is. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, last year in my finger one dog bit, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is low.
Did you take injection? No,
Yes,
net.
ma'am, I took.
Very good, very good, very good. So shall we end the class, beta? Time is up. And next week we will discuss about Olympic results. I want you to make a PPT. Okay, who will be ready? Shifna, next week up
Ma'am,
Olympics.
can I present a presentation on Olympics?
Okay, Shifna will do it on what is it? Olympics. You can stop recording if the recording is still going on. And then Vishnu will do on first aid. Okay, first aid for fractures. Fractures are small injuries. Vishnu, yes, bolo.
Ma'am, I'm Yashika, ma'am. I want to present a presentation on Olympics, ma'am.
Okay, Yashika can also do it. So जो भी करेगा वीडियो फॉर्मेट में जो कर पा रहे हो कर लेना. ठीक है बेटा?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you all of you. Bye bye. See you.
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.